Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemon fudge, the only way. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. This ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Fresh lemon zest and juice are crucial for that vibrant, authentic flavor. Precise measurements are key to achieving the perfect creamy consistency every time. Let's get started on this delightful treat. To begin, combine 1/2 cup of butter, 3 cups of granulated sugar, and 2/3 cup of milk in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Bring it to a full, rolling boil and continue boiling for exactly 5 minutes without stirring. This creates the essential creamy base. After 5 minutes, remove the pan from the heat. Immediately stir in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and the zest of 1 large lemon. Next, add 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow fluff and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens and loses some of its gloss. This incorporates the bright lemon flavor. Quickly pour the thickened fudge into an 8 by 8 inch pan that has been lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly. Allow the fudge to cool at room temperature for about 30 minutes, then transfer it to the refrigerator. Chill for at least 2 hours or until it is completely firm. Then, cut and enjoy your perfect lemon fudge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.